Isle of Wight Jobs, my job is the office manager and I basically oversee the day-to-day running of the office.
Good afternoon, Isle of Wight Jobs. Megan speaking, how can I help?
So being an apprentice for me, I found has been really interesting because I was very new to it when I started. I lacked in knowledge, I lacked in experience. So I'd quite like to be able to just take away more knowledge and a more understanding as to what it actually takes to be a manager.
Taking a young person such as Megan, 4 years ago she came to join us. She's obviously very bright, had a lot to offer. Didn't want to take the further education route. So we were able to give Megan the opportunity to train to the very highest level.
The apprenticeship generally helps to sort of obviously give me the skills and experience I need, and had I not done the apprenticeship, I don't think my role would have progressed as quickly as it had, and in fact I don't think it would have been possible to be an office manager with the lack of experience and knowledge I actually had until I'd done this qualification. It's pushed me massively just to look at things a bit differently. The course opened my eyes and made me realise that I could really be progressing to further what I'm doing day to day, so even from things like just managing small budgets, putting policies in place, so it's taught me a lot.
She's been able to grow herself as a professional person and put her own personality into what we've trained her. So it's just been a fantastic opportunity to sort of train someone and then give them the opportunity to grow more.
There's always like something new to be focusing on. As I've actually been going through the units, it's kind of made me go, okay, actually, let me implement that now. I think just much more confident, mainly in sort of the knowledge I have now. It's also pushed me to sort of be more confident with when dealing with like clients and candidates as well, just speaking to people in general. I think anyone who's in a position where they're doing their job but they feel like there's so much more that they can give, I think this is the perfect way to do it.
I recommend HDP as an apprenticeship provider to all our clients, especially within the business administration and hospitality industries.
Absolutely recommend HDP.